Welcome to the Sureway English PTE Question of the Day. On this channel, you'll find a new PTE video every day. Practice makes a person perfect. After watching the video, go to our website, surewayenglish.com, and sign up for your free PTE course and other PTE resources. Let's start.
If you forget the way, what will you buy to find your destination?
Who specializes in the study of Earth and its composition.
What do you call the food in a recipe?
Well done. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. Now make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. All the best.